What's up guys, welcome to another fantastic video. Guys, in today's video I'm going to show you exactly how to withdraw less than $50 from Payoneer. So as you all know, if you have $50 in your Payoneer account, if you have money less than $50 in your Payoneer account, there is no way you can withdraw it. You can't withdraw the money out of your Payoneer account, but I will show you exactly how you can be able to do that. Now this actually implies for small freelancers or anybody who just made a few money online, and maybe let's say you made like a $30, $20, $10 or $45 in your Payoneer account, and you really need the money but you can't be able to withdraw. I'm going to show you exactly how to go ahead to withdraw the money, okay, with examples. So right here on your Payoneer account, so let's say you have less than $50 in your Payoneer account. With Payoneer policy, you can't be able to withdraw it unless it's up to $50. So what you're going to use, so we're going to use a couple softwares and platforms to withdraw the money. So the first one we're going to use is Wise. So find a way to get a Wise account. Let's say you already have a Wise account. Now if you don't have a Wise account, then you might need a Wise account. You are going to need a Wise account for this. Okay, so this is my verified Wise account, and the next account we're going to be using is geekpay.africa. So get your geekpay.africa account, get your Wise account, and you're good to go. So once you have all these accounts, so next thing we need to do is to connect our Wise account to our Payoneer. Okay, you don't need to connect it, okay, you don't need to connect it. So in my case, what I did is, in my Payoneer here, I have a Payoneer card. Now if you don't have a Payoneer card, that is when you need to connect your account. So if you have a Wise account that has a USD balance, then you can go ahead to do that. But my Wise account here doesn't have a USD balance because currently they are not offering that as at the time I'm making this video. So what I did is to use my Payoneer card. So if I go to cards here, you're going to find out that I have a Payoneer card. Now if you don't have a Payoneer card, it's going to be difficult, but if you have a Payoneer card, then you can continue. So this is my Payoneer card right now. So what I did is come over here and click on add money. Okay, so you can add money to your Wise account. So once I clicked on add money, it's going to pull up this section. So it's going to ask me how much do I want to add. Then you can enter the amount of money you want to add. Now bear in mind that Wise actually has a little fee. Okay, they charge some fees. So let's say you have like $45 in your account, just try and say something you want to withdraw, like let's say 41, and allow the other $4. As you can see here, if you say 41, they're going to charge you, this is my credit card, they're going to charge me just a little less than $3 for the fees. Okay, so for the 3.71 is what I'm going to be paying if I have that on this card. So if that is good to go, you can be able to add your card here, but I already added my card, so that's why it's pulling up this section here showing me. But if you already added your card already, you're going to see this. If you don't have your card yet, you're going to add your card here. So once that card is added and you have this money here, you're going to click on continue now. So that money is going to be transferred from your Payoneer card or from your Payoneer account to Wise. So once you have that money into your Wise account, then what you need to do now is to send out that money from your Wise account to this platform geekpay. Now this is the example I did. As you can see here, this is $23 when I did that, and this money got deposited into my geekpay account. As you can see here, it says from KO Web Digital LLC via Wise. So this is when I transfer money from my Wise to geekpay, and I had like $25 here, and I needed to use the money immediately, so I had to use this method to link my to transfer money from my card to Wise here. As you can see here, you see $25. This was when I did it, and then from here, when the money came into this account, then I transferred the money from this Wise to my geekpay account. So if you want to do transfer the money, then you can now click on send and click on send single payment, and then you enter the bank details you're going to be given from geekpay. So if I come over to geekpay here, geekpay actually gives us account. So if I click on this USD now, I'm going to see this account information. So that's what I want to enter my Wise section when I get to that point of entering my bank details. So if you want to do that, all you need to do is to, as you can see here, add recipient. I already added my account, you can see it here, but you can add a new one by saying add a recipient. Then it's going to take you here, you select the currency, and then it says enter bank details. So you can now enter the bank details you're going to be given right here. So once you do that, the money is going to be transferred from your Wise to GigPay immediately. So once it gets to your GigPay account, then GigPay, you're going to sell it from your GigPay account. So you come over to, so let me go back to the dashboard. Once, let's say you have this money here, you're going to convert it to Naira by clicking on convert funds. And I want to tell you that GigPay.Africa actually has one of the best rates you can imagine. So their rate to dollar is usually good. So let's say that money is $23, so just click 23 and then convert it to USD, to NGN, and then you click convert. Immediately the money will be converted, and you can now from your NGN wallet to withdraw to your bank, to your whichever bank you are using locally. Okay, so from your from this wallet, from your NGN wallet, after you've converted the funds to NGN, then you can now click on send money, and the money will be transferred to whichever account you've preferred and you use for all of these transactions. So that is how I was able to withdraw my money, which is less than $50 from Payoneer. I was able to withdraw it. That's how I was able to withdraw the money. So if you find this video helpful, you can go ahead to try it, but let me summarize. So like I said, you're going to be needing a Wise account, a GigPay account, and probably or most definitely you're going to be needing a Wise card. Okay, so once you have all of these components, then you can go ahead to withdraw your less than $50 from those two platforms I just mentioned. So very much easy. So yeah, if you're watching this video now and you haven't subscribed, please make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell notification icon so that you won't miss any video once we drop them on this channel. So that is how you go ahead to transfer your money from your Payoneer to your Wise account. Very simple. So I believe this video was helpful. Make sure to turn on the notification icon, and so that you won't miss any other video once I drop them on the channel. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you guys later.